Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to use some if function in your Excel sheet. Some if function we use to calculate equal some table when we are making one table, some table and making graph and all. We can use this function to calculate total total numbers, total of each unique features numbers. I use this data table to get understand how to use some if in different scenario. In this table, you can see the period, and the second column you can see cost. Third column you can see cost 2, and fourth column you can see cost 3 items, and the markup and the revenue. You can say revenue, selling price. That also we can see selling price, selling price. So now let's see the table. Table here we have quarter one, the quarter, and the month, and the cost, and the cost 2, cost 3 item, markup, and here we have number of more data. But here the table we want to take. I want to take it to quarter one some figure and quarter two some figure. Now you can see the table quarter. Yeah, we have only quarter two figures here. What I do, I'm going to make this sum if function. How we can use it, sum if function. First equal sum if open bracket, then use function argument. You can open function argument. Then function argument, you want to put first range. Which range we are going to get these items. Then go to the data table. The range is we are going to check this range, the quarter. Select this full line and lock the cell using F4. And then criteria is I'm going to select this table. This quarter one is our 5 criteria. Then we want to move to sum range. The sum range we are going to select cost 1. Now here in the table we are in the cost 1. Cost 1 item we want to calculate it quarter 1, how much figure cost 1 item we have. The data table, there is a quarter 1, 2, all figures are here, and I will select cost 1 item from top to down, and then that also we want to select lock. So lock it using F4, and you can see automatically the formula results will be reflected with 1,752 that figures. Click it OK. This automatically will come. Let's see this figure is correct or not. You can filter and see this figure, what is the accuracy of figures. Select quarter 1, and then go to quarter 1. It's calculated over the line. This you can see the figure 8 million is some is correctly appearing here. Now, like more our figures, now we filled monthly wise how total sum if function we can use here in cost 1, cost 2 items. And also the same, if we are when we are getting when you copy this same formula in down, we can get it the correct figure in April also. Let's see how we do. Control D. The total sum if function is automatically calculating change in this month and data table, and then control D, the same figure D. Now our total is tally. We can copy this same formula in same column in down. And when we go to the cost line item two, cost item two, cost two in the January month, in the February month we fill the figure, and the March month. We can take it down to breakdown. Shows how now how to how to use this copy formula in SUMIF, copy formula in the next cost items. I copied from cost 2 item to cost 3 item. It's given blank figure. It's that blank figure. We have to find out the correct places, sum and criteria range. Open this function items. Function argument first range is still remain same from month line, month column, but criteria, change this criteria into column B, cell number 12, column B, cell number 12, column B, cell number 12, and then data. Data range, we want to select from column L. Change this to column L. This line also, this place also change to column L, and click OK. You can see the figure automatically is changed. Now this January month figure with the same column item, month, when the changing month, the total amount also to be changed. When you drag this column into down, your total also will be changed as it is. See, now figures you can see equal from the first data table to second data table, they copied it correctly. Tally. The same exercise you can do is copy from previous cell and paste it to next cell and change your function argument. Data range still remains same, and then criteria we want to change is to B12. Remove this unwanted one, and then data range, now it is changed to N, column N. Change here, column N. Okay, click OK button, then drag down. So automatically it's all the function changing with the same column, and then you can see the first table and second table are tallied.